art imitates life? Or does life imitate art? In the world of Imtiaz Ali, it's neither. It's a dance. His films are more than stories. They are confessions. They are mirrors. They are cinematic life coaches for us. Me, my friends, my elders, and maybe even you. Because we all somehow are tied by a thread. The thread of society. This thread tells us how to live, what to fear, who to love, and how much of ourselves we're allowed to express. But what happens when we challenge it? Imtiaz Ali dares to ask and answer that. Let's begin with Tamasha, with Ved and Tara. Two people who meet in Corsica and pretend to be anyone but themselves. And in that make-believe, something real awakens. Ved, the gifted storyteller trapped in a corporate routine, becomes the face of every one of us who has ever played a role we didn't choose. The moment of his awakening, which we will soon see in the next scene, isn't just a moment in a film. It's a call to every soul hiding behind a job title, a GPA, a societal tag. This is what it looks like to break the thread, to realize you are the writer of your own story.
आराम से बाबा आराम
आगे क्या होता है?
अरे क्या चलाने आया तू? चले जाएगा यहाँ से। नहीं है यहाँ कोई संजीवनी बूटी या कोई नूर या खुदा।
शांत शांत इसका दिमाग थोड़ा ऑफ है।
क्या होता है?
डरता है? हैं? डर लगता है? अपनी कहानी मुझसे पूछ रहा है? कायर? किससे डरता है कौन यहाँ? तू बता क्या होता है आगे? बता, बोल अपनी कहानी। क्या है तेरे दिल के अंदर? चाहता क्या है तू?
मैं क्या चाहता हूँ?
अरे दिल में हीर लिए और हीर खोजे वीराने में। फरेबी, धोखेबाज। खबरदार, बाहर निकल, बाहर निकल। मैं कह रहा हूं बाहर निकल, बाहर निकालो उसको। पुलिस को बुलाओ। फरेबी है।
चुप, गया गया। देखो गया।
पुलिस को बुलाओ, फोन करो उसको। पुलिस को बुलाओ, फोन करो।
Then comes Highway. Veera Tripathi is kidnapped, and somehow in captivity, she finds freedom. And this is what she says to her family.
अजीब बात है, किडनैप हो गई पर वहां आजाद थी और यहाँ जेल में।
Her story reveals how often the real prison is not outside us. It's inside the homes, expectations, and silences we are taught to accept. In one of the film's most powerful moments, Veera screams, liberated and furious, as she confronts her childhood abuser in front of her family. It's raw, messy, and painfully human. She finally says the thing that was never supposed to be said.
Ask her to shut up, Manu. Ask her to shut up.
She walks away, as we'll see in the next scene, from privilege, from silence, from the life that was never truly hers. And she chooses instead a quieter life in the Himalayas, closer to nature, closer to herself.
मगर मैं आप लोगों में से एक नहीं हूं। मैं वापस नहीं आऊंगी।
Would the real world Veera take that leap? Maybe not. But would she feel what Veera felt? Absolutely. And that's the magic of Ali's storytelling. He doesn't just show us what is, he dares us to imagine what could be. That dream, that possibility, that is the seed he plants. In Jab We Met, Geet jumps on a train to run from her family's expectations. And Aditya, he walks out of a board meeting, leaves behind his company, his phone, and the weight of his world, and vanishes into the unknown. It's impulsive, dramatic, and to some, unrealistic. But isn't that what freedom sometimes looks like? And in one of the film's most heartfelt scenes, Keith reminds us of something we often forget.
आगे क्या होने वाला है इस पर किसी का कंट्रोल तो है नहीं, तो ऐसे में मैं वही करती हूँ जो मेरा दिल कहता है। कल को मैं किसी को ब्लेम नहीं करना चाहती कि जी तुम्हारी वजह से मेरी लाइफ खराब हो गई। मेरी लाइफ जो भी होगी मुझे पता होगा कि मेरी वजह से ऐसी है, तो I'll be happy.
The truth is, many of us want to be Keith, want to run, but out of hundreds who do, maybe only one will. And yet, by showing us Geet's choice, Imtiaz gives us permission to imagine our own. Love Aajkal gives us Meera and Jay, two individuals who believe they've made the right decisions, only to be ambushed by feelings they didn't expect. Meera marries someone else, thinking it's the practical thing to do. But once she's in that life, she realizes the mistake. She still feels for Jay. Yet, she doesn't let that mistake define her. She owns it, leaves her husband and chooses herself. Jay, on the other hand, thought getting his dream job in San Francisco would complete him. But despite all the success, he feels incomplete, lost. The song Main Kya Hoon captures his descent into emotional confusion. The same ache we all feel when the boxes we've ticked don't match the longing in our hearts. He realizes it wasn't just Meera he left behind, it was his emotional anchor. And in the end, they reunite, not in a dramatic Bollywood moment, but in something more grounded, more vulnerable. In Ali's world, identity isn't fixed, it's found. Rockstar. It isn't just about music or fame. It's about becoming. Janardhan Jakar, a naive college boy, believes that heartbreak is the secret ingredient to greatness. But what he doesn't realize is that the real transformation isn't about pain. It's about truth. As he becomes Jordan, he sheds everything that once defined him. His name, his simplicity, his innocence. What we witness isn't a rise to stardom. It's a soul in rebellion. And through that rebellion, we see someone who dares to feel too much, love too hard, break too often, and yet keep going. His bond with Heer isn't just romantic. It's raw, it's chaotic, it's the kind of love that doesn't fit neatly into words. It liberates him even as it destroys him. In one of the film's most hauntingly beautiful moments, we see them in a field where nothing is said but everything is felt.
पता है, यहाँ से बहुत दूर गलत और सही के पार एक मैदान है, मैं वहां मिलूंगा तुझे।
And maybe that's what makes Rockstar so honest. It doesn't promise closure. It promises selfhood, even if it's messy. Maybe you are Ved, stuck in a job you hate. Or Geet, aching to run away. Maybe you're Meera, pretending everything is fine. Or Jordan, searching for something you can't name. Whoever you are, wherever you are, Imtiaz's films whisper, you are not alone. In this messy, poetic chaos of life, we're all just stories waiting to be told honestly. And if you don't like your ending, remember.
एंडिंग खराब है ना, एंडिंग सही नहीं। तो कोई बात नहीं, अपनी कहानी है, एंडिंग चेंज कर लेंगे।